To purchase a MeasureSquare subscription online, go to cloud.measuresquare.com and then log into your MeasureSquare account. From there, click My Subscriptions from your dashboard, and then click Add a Subscription. You'll be redirected to our pricing page where you can select the subscription you want to purchase and add it to your cart. And then from here, you can either continue shopping and add another license or proceed to checkout. You'll then be prompted to enter your billing address and payment method, which I've done so already. After you're done with that, you can go ahead and place your order. Once your order has been processed, your license will automatically be issued to your account.